everybody, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I am excited to be here to continue to talk to you about this awesome blueprint. Now, if you've been looking on social media, depending on how active you are on social media, you probably have come across some content on the infamous blueprint. So what I'm going to do is share with you in this video how you can plug in and access this blueprint and position yourself to create a nice little side hustle for yourself in the new upcoming year of 2024. We're going to keep things extremely realistic and very conservative for the purpose of today's video. Now, this is not by any means implying any type of guarantee of income, because I simply cannot do that. As a disclaimer, I cannot come in here and make income claims, guarantees, or promises. But we're going to be just talking about, for illustrative purposes only, a very conservative figure of an extra $5,000 a month, okay? And how you can get $5,000 a month extra for yourself and for your family in a 30-day period, okay? Starting now and going into 2024. So in order to really earn extra income with any opportunity, okay, you need to have a product, of course, and a product in high demand. Okay, so what I promote and what I've been promoting for quite some time are digital products in the affiliate marketing arena. Okay, digital products, high demand. These have been marketing, training, educational, informational products. Okay, these are ideal learn while you earn products to help you and equip you with a skill set. And a skill set is very, very important, especially if you want to position yourself for long-term success. So first and foremost, a high demand product. Digital products in the e-learning industry. This is a growing industry. E-learning industry is growing at an unprecedented rate and is only going to be predicted to increase even more in 2024. So with this particular opportunity, you are definitely in the right place at the right time. So we're talking about a high demand product and a high demand digital product in combination with an automated system, okay? So the system I've been using, it's called dailypaybeginshere.com. Once again, that's dailypaybeginshere.com. I always drop the link to this very website. I'll do the same in today's video. You can check it out. My contact information will be below there. Any questions, if you are serious, I always welcome with open arms all serious inquiries. Text or call me. My personal cell is included. Okay? So what we are using and what I am using is a pre-built, done-for-you system. Okay? You don't have to have any technical skills whatsoever. You will be plugging into a pre-built, done-for-you system. This runs largely on autopilot, especially with our email automations. So what you want to do from a statistical numbers perspective within a 30-day window of opportunity, you want to get eyeballs. Of course, you have to get eyeballs. We show you how to go out there and find your perfect customer. That's very, very important, and it is not difficult, okay? Especially with so many people on social media these days, folks. So 30 days, that's our window of opportunity. Eyeballs, you want to have 360 eyeballs. If you do the math, folks, 360 eyeballs approximately, give or take a little bit, if you're using this very system that converts on average at around 50%. So eyeballs looking. Now we are most interested though in opt-ins, collecting leads, email addresses. So if you have 360 people coming to a website, converting at 50%, that would be 180 people approximately, give or take a little bit now, Okay, leave a little bit of room for variance. 180 people willingly entering their email address into your capture page. Okay, out of that 180, we're again sticking to a 30-day window of opportunity. That would be, okay, 6 people a day opting in, because it's 180 a month, 30 days a month, 30 times 6. So we do the math, folks. 30 times 6, okay? Of course, that gives us 180 opt-ins. Now, converting at that, okay, every 3 days on average, you would need 9 customers. 9 customers at $600, which happens to be our premium level, our most popular digital product package. So 600, okay? Because you earn 100% commissions, you get resale rates. So you get to earn 100% commissions. That's $600 for every premium level sale you get. Doing simple math, times only 9, you only need to find 9 customers a month that are going to purchase at the premium level to put you right around $5,000 in extra side hustle income on a monthly basis. So just a real quick recap, folks. Using this very system, eyeballs, you're going to be needing around 360 people coming and taking a look. And out of that, at 50% conversions, 180 people approximately are going to willingly enter their email address into your website. Out of that 180, every single day, you need to have 6 people opting in, giving their email address, entering that. And then for the grand scheme of things, folks, 6 times 30, that's your 180 a month. And then every 3 days on average, one person would purchase a $600 product package. That gives you your 9 customers, 9 paying customers, paying you $600. And that's how we get to this, folks. And this is extremely, extremely conservative. Okay, this is very low ball. This is extremely realistic. There's no hype. There's no smoke and mirrors here whatsoever. You might be wanting to know exactly how do I find and get 9 paying customers a month, folks. Well, this happens to be an attraction marketing blueprint that we are using to equip ourselves with an invaluable skill set. We're largely using social media marketing and an attraction marketing blueprint. We're combining it with pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads through a simple primary approach of copy, paste, and post. Many of us take at least 30 minutes out of our busy day. And what we do is we make really good utilization of these pre-written ads and we copy them on free websites. So by the way, folks, our marketing is free. We're using free organic methods, free high traffic websites. We're not coming out of pocket and spending any money above and beyond that $600 plus a $59 admin fee. So you can have your own little business in a box for only $659 out the door. No monthly fees, okay? So, but what we're primarily doing is we're focusing on attraction marketing using either Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Heck, on TikTok alone, folks, there are tons and tons of people. I mean, absolutely tons of people. As a matter of fact, on average, if you do your research and due diligence, 1 million people or more a day are users of TikTok. That's a very viable website, a free platform, folks. Now, I've been primarily building with YouTube, okay? That's actually how I got my start way back in the day, folks. And if you fast forward to the late 2023, heading into 2024, I'm still very active on YouTube, although I have big, big plans to integrate TikTok marketing into my scheme of my marketing mix for 2024 and beyond. I do, however, use Facebook a little bit, and I make really good use out of the Facebook story feature. Okay, again, this is all free. So you can pick and choose. We highly recommend you go with a primary, and we highly recommend that you have a secondary. So it could be any combination of these 4, folks: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. And to put the icing on the cake, folks, if you want, we even have Craigslist, okay? So we show you exactly how to use automations, and what we're doing basically, folks, is how are you going to get 9 paying customers a month? Well, what we're doing is we're creating content, and that's all part of this blueprint, folks. Okay, how to become a professional content creator. And where we're creating the content is on social media. Very simple, folks. Okay, so we do content creation, and we also get trained on how to go out there and locate and find our perfect customer. Okay, that's equally important as well. That's also in the training. And then what we're doing through the system, through our pre-built funnel, our automated system with our follow-up emails that go out for us daily on our behalf, is those emails are taking us through a journey, a very unique and special journey of building that all-important know, like, and trust in the eyes of our prospects and leads that are willingly opting into our website. It's very simple, folks. This is the back office of the blueprint. I do believe in showing people around so that you can see exactly what your one-time investment is going to provide for you. And this happens to be a wonderful gift this very holiday season, because it's a gift that truly can and will, if you use it and use it wisely, keep on giving, folks. Okay? Keep on giving. And that's exactly the best type of gift to have, folks. This is something that you can come in and every single day dive into the training and start earning while you are learning, folks. Everything is here step by step. This is very user friendly, very easy to follow, easy to navigate blueprint, folks. 6-figure blueprint, okay? Which comes with full resale rights of 4 digital products, especially if you are at the $600 level. So you just come in here, start at the very top, folks, unlock your training by paying your one-time admin. You have a couple different options of doing so with a credit card, Cash App, or Zelle. And then you just start at the very top and you work your way down. I do recommend making really good use of these because this is free. Anybody and everybody, folks, can simply copy, paste, post, ultimately for profit, folks. We give you the pre-written ads. We give you the emails. We give you the pre-built funnel system. So everything pretty much is forwarded, given to you, your very own business in a box with this proven blueprint, folks. Okay? That's working for thousands of members all around the world. This is a worldwide opportunity, even a 7-day action plan. Okay? This is a 7-day action plan that you can plug right into, folks. Okay? This is going to be your 7-day action plan. Okay? And then you're going to basically select one of these, folks, as a primary. Really get comfortable with it, get confident with it, start using it, apply and implement, and then come back, wrap around, and pick up a secondary. And then you're going to basically learn how to go out there and create the content, learn who your perfect ideal customer is, and then use your pre-built automated system to collect leads through your content creation. And you are going to be able to do that through the journey of building know, like, and trust, and get a percentage of those often leads to convert into sales. So you could start earning $600 a pop, giving you your 9 customers a month on average. Okay? And this is about what it would put into your bank account. Now, again, I'm not implying any guarantees of income because I simply can't do that, but we do have a very powerful, compelling training portal with a very powerful blueprint that we are using, and it absolutely works. I encourage you, of course, to go out there, and I encourage everybody to go out there. Do your research, do your due diligence, folks. You're going to see countless testimonials, countless success stories, and a wealth of social proof on all social media platforms, from YouTube to Facebook to TikTok to Instagram, folks. Countless people are having huge success, folks. But remember, you've got to believe in yourself first and foremost and be an action taker. You can't be afraid, folks. Remember, scared money makes no money. And I encourage everybody this very special holiday season to truly step out and take a leap of faith. Take action. Get started. I can almost guarantee you that if you do and you use this system, use it wisely, use it consistently, that next year at this very same time, folks, there is no reason why you should not be in a far better place, okay? But however, if you elect not to do anything, and you just keep on doing what you're doing, folks, 9 chances out of 10 next year at this time, unfortunately, your life will be in the same situation that it is currently, folks. And if you're comfortable there, folks, that is wonderful. Okay, I salute you. And if you're not, then I encourage you to do something to make a impact. Okay, a significant impact on your financial future and the financial future of your family, folks, and get the blueprint. It truly can be the best gift that you can give for yourself this holiday season. The best investment, folks. $600 one time, a gift that truly, genuinely can keep on giving, okay, in the days, the weeks, and the months ahead, all the way into next year at this time and beyond, folks. But you've got to take the initiative, get started, and where you want to go to do that is right here, folks. This is the system that we are using, okay, to make the magic happen. dailypaybegins.here.com. This is what it looks like, folks, so you know you're in the right place at the right time, folks. I want you to head on over right now and give me a good valid email address right here, dailypaybegins.here.com. You may need to type it into your browser. And with that being said, folks, happy holidays in advance. I look forward to seeing you inside of our amazing community and would love nothing more to hear your testimony. I'm here to help you every step of the way, folks. I've been doing this for many, many years, folks. I've helped a lot of people to make income online, even their first dime, folks. And with a tested, proven, simple, user-friendly system, folks, there's no reason why you too cannot see results and much continued success. So thank you so much. Welcome to the team in advance. Look forward to seeing you inside our amazing community very, very soon. Give me a good email address and head on over right now to dailypaybeginshere.com. I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much. Reach out if you need anything, and I am just a simple text or phone call away. Thank you so much. Let's talk soon. Bye-bye.